Okay, how to prepare the adhesive correctly? What we need is part A, powder form, and then part B, there's a B lattice, and also you need the electrical mixing machine or stirring machine, and also a big clean barrel. That is all you need. Okay, first of all, put the part A, the powder form, into the big barrel. Put all of them.拍一下，对 ，OK， 好 ，OK。Secondly, open the B lattice and put all of them into the barrel. And then don't waste anymore, okay? Put all of them, okay? You need to scratch it in order all the liquid, all the B lattice fully into the barrel. Okay? And then you use the electrical mixing machine or stirring machine to mix all those materials. You mix that for 10 minutes, at least 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes after, okay, if you do it correctly, you can find the adhesive is mixed very good, okay, it's sticky enough, and also without any particles, even small particles, okay. So this adhesive is very good and it's ready to use, okay.